How to comment blank on Instagram. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can comment blank on Instagram. Comment on blank on Instagram, you can follow some of these steps since Instagram doesn't allow completely empty comments. First of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. And here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here, find the post where you'd like to comment blank. Once you locate the post, tap on the comment icon and in the comment box, now you will need to add your comment. Since you cannot post a completely blank comment, you can use special characters that are visually minimal. Just type a single period and post it. Or you can also use emojis like space emoji or transparent characters. You can also use comma, add space, and end it with a comma. To post it, you can simply tap on this arrow at the right side and you can see you have successfully commented blank on Instagram. If you want to use the invisible character, then you will need to search for a Unicode character which appears blank. Also keep in mind that using blank comments might be seen as spammy behavior. If the account owner has a comment moderation settings enabled, your comment might be filtered out or removed. So by following these steps, you should be able to comment blank on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.